Tahavur Rana likely will be lodged in the Tihar jail in Delhi after he lands in India. According to information coming in, the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack case accused Tahavur Hussain Rana, who is being extradited from the USA. Remember, he's been now put on a flight. He's en route India. He's likely to be lodged in the high security ward. Prisons have been prepared both in Delhi and Mumbai, depending on the protocol and procedure. But the moment he lands in India, he'll be officially immediately arrested. NIA is supervising all the necessary preparations. Also, preps have been made by the prison authorities because as a high-profile prisoner, there will have to be court orders. Every time you think about Tahavur Hussain Rana, remember that this Pakistani military doctor, now a Canadian citizen, did recce in Mumbai. He orchestrated, he knew what he was there for in Mumbai, staying at the Taj. He did a recce, knowing that innocent people are set to be murdered by his hateful, devious, radical jihadist ideology. And sadly, they did manage to organize that. My colleague Shivani Sharma is tracking all the latest on that. Shivani, all eyes will be on when Tahavur Hussain Rana lands in India. What are you picking up as information? I'm pretty sure agencies will be following full-on security protocol. And you tell me, Shivani, what does this moment mean for India, especially the government, the manner in which the legal process was followed?
Pooja, this is a big success for India after long years of persuasion and extradition demands from United States. Now the day has come when Tahavur Rana, the key conspirer of the 26/11 attacks where 166 people lost their lives in Mumbai, is going to be in India very soon. What we are told that he is already on board the flight and he might land in India today afternoon, and all preparations have been done. As soon as he will be landing, he will be produced in a special NIA court where NIA would take him into custody. The preparations are already on, Pooja, to lodge him in the Tihar jail, and all the documents for the trial have already been shifted. They are being shifted back to Delhi because, these cases were going on. There are multiple cases that were going on in Mumbai also. And the Patiala House Court has prepared for this trial. And meanwhile, what we are also learning is that around the airport, when he will be landing, there is special arrangement of security, multi-layered security is there, because Tahavur Rana is being accompanied by officials from the Home Ministry to the police officials to. So there's going to be a proper protocol that needs to be followed as suggested by the United States agencies also, as he's being extradited from US. So we need to follow all those protocols, and the nature of this high profile, high sensitive case, all the preparations have been done, Pooja. The approvals have been given to the NIA from the Law Ministry to take this trial forward in Delhi. This approval was given yesterday. So it's going to be a big day. Long-awaited arrival, extradition of Tahavur Rana to India.
Shivani, you're right. What a moment, because I am thinking right now of the constant efforts India has made. Remember, India did not in turn kill innocent people in Pakistan. It went with regard to ensuring the accused, the mastermind, however, will be nabbed and will not be spared. The latest coming in, Shivani, stay on with me. The National Investigation Agency getting centre's approval for Rana's trial in Delhi. So it will be the NIA that will be supervising this whole case. According to our sources, Law Ministry has allowed Rana's trial in the national capital. So Delhi is where all the heightened activity will be, not in Mumbai. What does this mean? This will be a full-on team of senior cops associated with the NIA and otherwise. 2 IG rank of officials, 1 DIG, 1 superintendent of police will be working with the NIA legal team as well, because it's not just about getting him here, it's also about the case to ensure that just like we through Kasab exposed Pakistan, the same is done through Tahavur Rana. Delhi Police SWAT team will ensure security for the NIA personnel as well. So special alert, of course, a special cell will be focusing on all the alerts here. In just a short while, remember, in the next few hours, we are expecting Tahavur Rana to land in Delhi. Our teams will be on the ground. Shivani continues to be with us. So Shivani, NIA team likely that was supervising on American soil also now will be here to ensure he lands and then gets to face the law.
Pooja, Thahavur Rana is being accompanied by the team of Indian officers who were there in United States for the process completion of his extradition, and soon they'll be landing in India. As you were mentioning, and the sources have also indicated that the Law Ministry has already approved the trial to conduct it in Delhi by the NIA. The documents are being sought by NIA from different courts wherever these cases are going on. And today being a holiday in the court, it's what's the sources are also indicating that as soon as Rana reaches here, he will be produced before a special court, and it might happen virtually, Pooja. So this is going to be important because there is multi-layered security that has been put in place. All preparations have been done by the agencies in India. The Home Ministry has been closely watching the extradition process, and this was a big victory for India because since 2019, India has been trying the extradition of Thahavur Rana to expose more about how he planned, he conspired this particular attack, how he helped his friend Headley in the recce, and how he provided all the documents. And the major part of this conspiracy is still to be unfolded in this investigation, Pooja. So when Thahavur Rana is here, the agencies will make sure that the whole nexus of this terror supporting group, and especially the Pakistani terrorists who have been trying to push inside India and who are responsible for the loss of lives in India, they are put to justice.
It is the NIA dossier that's absolutely incredible, with the details that comes in and the kind of planning that this man did with David Coleman Headley and then managed to get Kasab and the team. It just reminds you the kind of radicalized minds these were. Shivani, keep tracking all the latest on this because the day has arrived. The plotter of 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, and I would always call it a massacre of innocent people. This man is being extradited by the USA. Remember, this is the USA deciding. After the trial went there, the case was heard there as well. They rejected the plea because they realized he cannot stay anymore in the USA. He needs to be extradited to India. And therefore, last evening, he was put on a flight and he'll be brought now to India. Once Rana lands in Delhi, he will officially be arrested by the NIA. Later, he'll undergo a trial at the special NIA court. Sources say Thahavur Hussain Rana could be produced virtually before the special NIA judge. That is because of the security reasons. All preparations of his stay are being maintained as well, especially with regard to the arrival. Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserting that Thahavur Rana's extradition is a major diplomatic victory of the Narendra Modi-led government. So let's listen into all the Netas' reaction. But remember this. This is India ensuring that it may have taken 17 years. But if you kill our countrymen, we will ensure that you face the law.
I think this is a major development, and it establishes a yardstick of sorts. Thahavur Rana has been an ISI agent for a long time. They were one of the key facilitators in the in North America, whether it is Canada or the United States. He, in fact, facilitated the travels of David Coleman Headley when he came to Recce, the targets for the 2008 attack. He arranged his travel plans, visas, everything. So he's a key person. He's a key person who was involved in the conspiracy for the attack.
यार आतंकवादियों के लिए जो सजा सख्त से सख्त हो वो होनी चाहिए. जो काम बढ़िया करें उसके लिए तारीफ, और अगर इतनी डिले हो रही तो उसके लिए बुराई के तो अपना उस चीज़ के अंदर बिल्कुल क्लियर है.
16 साल की लंबी लड़ाई देश ने लड़ी है और फिर जाकर इनको देश भेजा जा रहा है. उनने हर यूएस कोर्ट्स में अपील की थी कि कैसे उनका एक्स्ट्राडिशन रोक दिया जाए, पर वो एक्स्ट्राडाइट हो रहे हैं. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि इंडियन कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में जो भी प्रोसीजर हो, पर जब इनको फांसी की सज़ा दी जाए, भरे चौराहे में मुंबई के दिए जाए, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से इन्होंने आतंक मचाने का काम किया था, इस तरीके का पनिशमेंट मिलना चाहिए कि जो लोग इंडिया को बुरी नज़र से देखते हैं उनकी रूह कांप जाए पनिशमेंट को देखकर.